Happy birthday, I will celebrate you in my way. My sweetest song I will sing to you today. When they had many ways to say to shining star on a night like tonight. I could dance around this room with delight for the rest of my life. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. I know that's hard to break you in my own way. My sweetest song I will sing today. In the still night I'll give it to God. He's the one who made me a part of this birthday wish for you. Thank you, Lord, for giving me a chance to say something from the heart. I'd celebrate you in my way.